Hello students, now I am going to discuss some MCQ question on rate of reaction. This is important for Cambridge IGCSE chemistry and Cambridge GCSE chemistry. Let's move. Number 1. Which changes does not increase the speed of reaction, means rate of reaction. Which change does not increase the speed of reaction between zinc and hydrochloric acid? When you add zinc and hydrochloric acid, which change does not increase the speed of reaction? B is the answer. Decreasing the temperature. You know, if you decrease the temperature, rate of reaction or speed of the reaction decreases. So this will not increases the rate of reaction. Adding catalyst A, number of rate of reaction increases. Decreasing the particle size, if particle size increases, if particle size decreases, surface area increases, rate of reaction will be increases. Using more concentrated acid, if more concentrated acid is used, rate of reaction is increased. Now number 2, which does not increase the speed of reaction? Which does not increase the speed of reaction? C. Increasing the particle size of one of the reactants. So if you increase the particle size of one of the reactants, then rate of reaction will not increase. But others, adding a catalyst, rate of reaction increases. Increase the concentration of one of the reactant, rate of reaction increases. Increasing the temperature, rate of reaction increases. So C is the correct answer. Number C. Calcium carbonate was reacted with hydrochloric acid in a conical flux. Calcium carbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid, salt plus carbon dioxide plus water is produced. The flux was placed on a balance and the mass of the flux and contents was recorded as the reaction proceeded. During this reaction, carbon dioxide gas was given off. The reaction was carried out at two different temperatures. Which row is correct? Change in mass decreases because carbon dioxide gas is escaping, carbon dioxide gas is going out, so mass of the contents decreases. And temperature at which mass changed more quickly? Higher temperature, because at higher temperature carbon dioxide will escape more quickly because reaction will be faster. So higher temperature mass will be changed more quickly, mass decreases more quickly. Now number 4. A student investigates the rate of reaction between marble chips, means calcium carbonate, and hydrochloric acid. The loss of mass of the reaction flux is measured. The graph shows the result of the two experiments P and Q, and which change explains the difference between P and Q. And you see, Q is more quickly decreases than P. Now hydrochloric acid, answer is D. Hydrochloric acid is more concentrated in Q because mass of the reaction graph is more steeper. That means mass decreases more quickly. Why more quickly? Because hydrochloric acid is more concentrated in Q. So rate of reaction is faster. That means mass of the reaction flux decreases more quickly. Rate of reaction is higher. So D is the correct answer. And a catalyst is added to P. No, catalyst rate of reaction will be, and a higher temperature is used in P. Wrong. Bigger marble ships are used in Q. No, wrong. So hydrochloric acid is more concentrated, that's why carbon reaction become faster and mass of the contents decreases more quickly. Number 5. An experiment to determine the rate of chemical reaction could be carried out using the apparatus shown. This is gas syringe apparatus. This gas is produced, this gas collected here. This is the reaction mixer. Now which reaction is being studied? First reaction, no gas is produced, so it's wrong. B is the correct answer, because when magnesium reacts with sulfuric acid, magnesium sulfate and hydrogen produce. This hydrogen gas is collected using gas syringe apparatus. So other C, no gas produce. D, no gas produce. So answer will be B. Next, number 6, copper to carbonate CuCO3 solid carbonate reacts with dilute sulfuric acid to produce copper to sulfate salt, carbon dioxide plus water. The speed of the reaction, rate of the reaction can be changed by varying the condition. The rate of reaction will be varied by different conditions. Now you see which conditions would always increase the speed of a chemical reaction. A, increase the concentration of the reactant. Yes, number 1 is true. If you increase the concentration of the reactant, rate of always increased. And number 3 also correct, increase the temperature. If you increase the temperature, the kinetic energy of the molecule increases, so rate of reaction will be increased. That's why A and 3, B is correct answer. 1 and 3 only. Why 2 it is wrong? 2, increase the size of the pieces of copper to carbonate. If particle size increases, so rate of reaction will be slow. Rate of reaction will not be increased. This is wrong. Next, number 7, the apparatus shown can be used to measure the rate of some chemical reactions. This gas syringe apparatus. So for which two reaction would be apparatus be suitable? Which two reaction? By using this apparatus, you will be able to measure the volume of gas. So if any gas is produced, you can measure the gas. Reaction 1, no gas, so this is not suitable. Reaction 2, oxygen gas is produced, so you can measure the volume of oxygen gas. Reaction 2 is suitable. Now reaction 3, you see solid, aqueous, liquid, no gas, so this not suitable. 1 is not suitable. Now reaction 4, zinc carbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid, zinc chloride, carbon dioxide. Yes, carbon dioxide gas is produced, so you can measure the volume of carbon dioxide by gas syringe apparatus. So 2 and 4, answer C is the correct answer. 2 and 4 is the correct answer. Now number 8, a student investigate the rate of reaction between magnesium and sulfuric acid. So magnesium reacts with sulfuric acid, magnesium sulfate and hydrogen gas is formed. The volume of gas given off in the reaction is measured over time. The graph shows the result of two experiments R and S. You see Y axis volume of hydrogen gas given off, X axis time. So which change in condition would cause the difference between R and S? And you see graph R is more steeper, I mean rate of reaction is faster, and S dotted line graph is less steeper, rate of reaction is slow. So R rate of reaction is faster, that means the acid is more concentrated in R than S. B is the correct answer because R graph is more steeper, so means R acid is more concentrated. Now A, why wrong? A catalyst is added S. No, S is less steeper, so catalyst speed up the reaction. Graph will be more steeper, but it is less steeper. C, the magnesium is less finely powdered in R than in S. So the magnesium powder is less finely powdered. R. No, if less finely powdered, rate of reaction will be less. So R is wrong, not correct. D, the temperature in R is lower. No, rate of reaction is higher, temperature will be higher. So now next one. 9, the apparatus shown is used to measure the speed of the reaction. This gas syringe apparatus, volume of gas can be collected by using this apparatus. So which equation represent a reaction between the speed, which equation represent a reaction where the speed can be measured using this apparatus? I mean, as it is gas syringe apparatus, so you can measure the volume of gas. A is the correct answer because when magnesium reacts with hydrochloric acid, magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas is produced, so you can measure the volume of hydrogen. A is the correct answer. B, reactant and product, no gas, so this apparatus is not suitable. C, solid, liquid, solid, aqueous means liquid, so no gas, this apparatus is not suitable. And sodium solid, bromine liquid, sodium bromide solid, this apparatus is not suitable. Now next, number 10, the rate of some chemical reactions can be measured by using the apparatus shown. Here reactants and balance, so you can measure the mass of the reactants, mass of the contents. That means for which reaction is this apparatus is suitable, which reaction is suitable for this diagram. You see this, first you answer A, because when magnesium carbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid, magnesium chloride, carbon dioxide and water is produced. As carbon dioxide gas is produced, so it will go outside, and mass of the reactant decreases. So for answer A, this apparatus is suitable. And B is wrong. Why? Magnesium, zinc chloride, magnesium chloride aqueous, zinc solid, so no gas will escape, mass will remain constant, so you cannot measure the rate of reaction. C also aqueous, solid, aqueous, so no gas, no mass decreases, mass will remain constant, so this apparatus is not suitable to measure the rate of reaction. Magnesium oxide solid, hydrochloric acid aqueous, magnesium chloride aqueous, water liquid, so no gas is produced, the mass of the reactants will not increase or decrease, so this apparatus is not suitable. Now 11, A student investigates the rate of reaction between zinc and excess sulfuric acid. Zinc metal reacts with acid to produce salt and hydrogen. Metal reacts with acid to produce salt plus hydrogen. The graph shows the result of two experiments X and Y. So y-axis volume of hydrogen gas, x-axis time. Y is the more steeper graph, that means rate of reaction is high. X is less steeper graph, that means rate of reaction is low. So which change explains the difference in X and Y? And Y, as rate of reaction is high, that means answer is A is correct. A catalyst is added in Y. So when catalyst is added, the rate of reaction will be higher, but total amount of gas will be same. So why? A catalyst is added in Y. Now why B is wrong. A lower temperature is used in Y. No, this graph is steeper means higher temperature. This is wrong. C, large pieces of zinc are used in Y. No, large pieces, rate of reaction will be slow. Rate of reaction will be low, but here graph is steeper means rate of reaction is high. This is wrong. Less concentrated acid is used. No, in Y. If less concentrated acid is used, graph will be less steeper, but this is more steeper. So D also wrong. Answer is the A. Next one. Calcium carbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid to form carbon dioxide. Calcium carbonate reacts with acid to produce salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Which changes would slow the reaction rate? Which changes will decrease the rate of reaction, you are asking? So 1, decreasing the concentration of hydrochloric acid. Yes, if concentration of hydrochloric acid is decreases, less number of particles per unit volume increases, so less successful collision occurs, rate of reaction is decreases. Number 1 is true. Number 3 also true. Decreasing the temperature, you know, if you increase temperature, rate of reaction increases, but if you decreasing temperature, rate of reaction decreases. So 1 and 3 is the correct answer. Now 2 is wrong. Why? Decrease the particle size of calcium carbonate. No, this is wrong. If you decrease the particle size, I mean smaller particle size has rate of reaction is more, but questioning is asking is slow. Decreasing the particle size of calcium carbonate, if you decrease the particle size, rate of reaction will be increases. Now number 13. The diagram shows an experiment to compare the rate of reaction when a metal is added to hydrochloric acid. In which test tube is the reaction fastest? And you know, this C, this D. So A is the correct answer. Why? Zinc, hydrochloric acid. So reactivity series, zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid because copper will not react with hydrochloric acid because copper is below than hydrogen in the reactivity series, and this zinc also will react but copper will not react. But why answer A? Because reaction is the fast reaction, as concentrated hydrochloric acid, here dilute hydrochloric acid. Dilute hydrochloric acid reaction will be slow, concentrated hydrochloric acid reaction will be faster. So answer is the A. Now next question. The rate of reaction depends on temperature, concentration, particle size and catalyst. Which statement is not correct? B is the correct answer. Which statement is not correct? B is not correct. B is the answer. Higher concentration decreases the rate of reaction. No, higher concentration always increases the rate of reaction. This is wrong answer, but A is the correct answer. Here question asking not correct. So catalyst can be used to increase the rate of reaction. This is correct. but question is asking which is not correct. C. Higher temperature increases the rate of reaction. This is the correct answer. Large particle size decreases the rate of reaction. This is correct answer. So not correct answer will be B. Higher concentration decreases the rate of reaction. No, higher concentration increases the rate of reaction. Then okay, now 15. Which changes decreases the rate of reaction between magnesium and air? Decrease the rate of reaction. 3 is the correct answer. Using magnesium ribbon instead of powdered magnesium. Magnesium powdered has greater surface area, so this will be rate of reaction will be faster, but magnesium ribbon has less surface area, so less effective collision, rate of reaction will be low. So only 3 is the correct answer. But why not a heating the magnesium to a higher temperature? No, if you heat higher temperature, rate of reaction will be high. And B, using a higher proportion of oxygen in the air. If you use higher proportion of oxygen, I mean oxygen concentration is more, so this will be rate of reaction will be increased. But here question is asking decrease the rate. So this answer will be 3. Using magnesium ribbon instead of powdered magnesium. Next, (16) which graph shows the effect of increasing the temperature on the rate of reaction of calcium carbonate with dilute hydrochloric acid? So this will, which graph shows the effect of increasing temperature? If you increase the temperature, rate of reaction will be increases. So this decreases, this wrong, this linearly increases, this will be exponentially increases, exponentially. So this answer will be D. With increasing temperature, rate of reaction will be increases. So D is the correct answer. Now 17. In separate experiments, a catalyst is added to a reaction mixture and the temperature of the mixture is decreased. A catalyst is added to a reaction mixture and the temperature of the reaction mixture is decreased. So what are the effects of these changes on the rate of reaction? Now if you use catalyst is added, catalyst speed up the reaction, I mean reaction will be faster, catalyst speed up the reaction. If you increase temperature, if you decrease temperature, rate of reaction will be decreases, I mean slower. That's why B is the correct answer. Catalyst increase the rate of reaction, so rate of reaction will be faster, and temperature decrease. If you decrease temperature, reaction will be slower. If you increase temperature, reaction will be faster. Now next, you see 18. An experiment is carried out to investigate the rate of reaction when calcium carbonate is reacted with hydrochloric acid. The volume of carbon dioxide gas given off is measured at different intervals of time. Different in intervals of time means after a certain time. After a certain time, the volume of carbon dioxide gas given off is measured. Volume of carbon dioxide gas is measured that produces. Now the diagram shows pieces of apparatus used to collect the gas, and this is the downward delivery and gas measuring syringe, gas syringe apparatus over water in graduated tube. So which apparatus is suitable to collect and measure the volume of the gas? So carbon dioxide is denser than air, you can use number 1, downward delivery, but you cannot, there is no mark here, so you cannot measure the volume of gas. That's why 1 is the wrong answer, and 2 and 3 is the correct answer, because gas syringe you can collect the gas and measure the how much volume gas is collected, you can measure easily. And over water measuring cylinder, gas will be collected here, and also this graduated, so there you can measure the how much gas, how much carbon dioxide gas is collected, you can measure easily the volume of gas. Now next one, 19. A student was investigating the reaction between marble chips, I mean calcium carbonate, and dilute hydrochloric acid. This is marble chips and 25 cm³ hydrochloric acid. These are reactants. Gas is collected here, gas syringe apparatus. Now you are asking which changes would reduce the rate of reaction. Rate of reaction decreases how? You know, temperature of the acid, if you decrease, rate of reaction decrease, true. Concentration of acid decreases, yes, if you concentration of acid decreases, rate of reaction decreases. And also surface area of marble chips, if you decrease the surface area of marble chips, so rate of reaction will be decreases. That's why number A is the correct answer. A is the correct answer, but B, C, D is wrong answer. Temperature of acid decreases, this true. Concentration of acid decreases, this true, but this wrong. Surface area of marble chips increases, rate of reaction increases, but question is asking you reduce the rate of reaction. So A is the correct answer. Now next, the effect of temperature on the rate of reaction between marble chips and hydrochloric acid. Marble chips means calcium carbonate and hydrochloric acid. Any carbonate compound reacts with acid to produce salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. And reaction effect of temperature on the rate can be investigated by measuring the production of carbon dioxide volume measuring. So which item of equipment is not required for this investigation? Gas syringe is needed to measure the volume of gas, to collect the gas. Stopwatch is need because how much time is taken for collecting a definite volume of gas. And thermometer also you can measure the temperature. But condenser function is to condense the gas. Here there is no function on this apparatus. Okay, thank you students. Please subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you.